So for activity 1, we are determining the percent of acetic acid that's in the vinegar sample. So we're going to start by taking 3 different samples, and we do this because the titration is going to be performed 3 times, and then we want to take the average molarity of the acetic acid. So we start off by measuring the mass of each sample of vinegar, and then we're going to go and find the volume of the vinegar. So it's a constant value for the volume. We're going to place 5 milliliters in. So after we do that, then we're going to the initial NaOH volume, and that's also going to be 10 milliliters throughout each sample. The final NaOH volume in the syringe, this is a number that should vary between each sample a little bit. Mine are 5.2, 5.6, and 5.1. And then for volume of NaOH, I have 4.8, 4.4, and 4.9. So then we're going to find the moles of NaOH. This is a calculation that we need to do. So it's a conversion. Next, we're going to find the moles of acetic acid in the sample. That's also going to be some calculations. We're going to find mass of the acetic acid in the sample, which would be 57.05 for the first sample, 66.06 for the second, 60.65 for the third. So then next we want to calculate the molarity of acetic acid in the sample of vinegar. So this is where we need to also do some calculations with all of the data that we've gathered. So for the first sample, I have 0.08567. For the second sample, I have 0.09455. And the third sample, I have 0.98971. We're also going to perform some calculations to find the percent mass of the acetic acid. So here we're looking for a percent with our calculation. So it's going to be 5.7 for the first, 6.6, and 6.1 for the third. And then after everything has been calculated and found, we want to find the percent mass of the acetic acid in the sample, which is what I told you we were looking for at the beginning of activity 1. And that would be 6.1% for mine.